အားလုံးပဲမင်္ဂလာပါရှင် English speaking လေးလေ့လာကြမယ်နော် English စာဟာတရုတ်စာလောက်မခက်ပါဘူး English is not as difficult as Chinese English is not as difficult as Chinese Chinese English is not as difficult as Chineseဒုက္ခများမတည့်ရက်ဖို့တောင်အနိုင်ပါ He was barely able to stand He was barely able to stand VARENY very able to stand မွေးရပါဂီတပါရမီပါလာတဲ့ She has inborn talent for music She has inborn talent for music. မစီမဆိုင်သွားမရှုံနဲ့ Don't stick your ear in. Don't stick stick your ear in. တာဝန်ကိုမျက်နှာလွဲခဲပြစ်မလုံးနဲ့ Don't leave someone holding the baby. Don't leave someone holding the baby. ရီးစားတွေမှုလို့ပေါက်နေတဲ့ He has dozens of girlfriends He has dozens 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 of girlfriends He has dozens of girlfriendsတာဝန်ကိုမျက်နှာလွှဲခဲ့ပြစ်မလုံးနဲ့ Don't leave someone holding the baby Don't stick your eye in He has inborn talent for music He was barely able to stand English is not as difficult as Chineseအားလုံးချစ်ခင်စွာမျှဝေလိုက်ပါတယ်အကျိုးတစုံတရာရှိလိမ့်မယ်လို့မျှော်လင့်ပါတယ်အကျိုးရှိရဆိုပေါင်းနေနေ share တော့နော် see you next week everyone good night